Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to download and install the Clipchamp Microsoft applications that is usually included in Windows. However, if you may have uninstalled it, and then I'll show you how to basically reinstall it through Microsoft Store. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Microsoft Store. Ayan. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung Microsoft Store and click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong Microsoft Store, so dito lang sa taas, dito sa search apps and games movies, so click mo lang yan. And then i-type mo lang dito yung Clipchamp. Ayan. Okay. So makikita mo kaagad dito yung Microsoft Clipchamp. Ito siya. And dito yung logo niya. Andito rin. So i-click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung Microsoft Clipchamp, Microsoft Corporations. So Clipchamp is the video editor that empowers anyone to tell a story with video. Okay, so makikita mo naman dito yung kanyang ratings na 4.8. And then yung ratings niya ay 691. And then next step kung paano natin ito install or download. So makikita mo dito yung get. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung installing and downloading. Ayan, so makikita mo dito na complete na yung installing and downloading. And next step ay click mo lang dito yung open para makita natin yung apps. And then makikita mo na dito na getting Clipchamp ready for you. Ayan. So, na-open na tong Clipchamp Microsoft na video editor mga kaibigan. So, kailangan mo lang i-login dito yung Microsoft account mo mga kaibigan. Dito lang sa top right corner ay kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then nandito naman yung kanyang sign out or yung login niya mga kaibigan. So, nandito yung home, brand kit, templates, and then yung settings niya. Alright. So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to download and install Clipchamp in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.